Hi, Kevin Cunningham from Traffic Safety and Equipment, also plowpartsdirect.com. Today I wanted to show you a common question that we have. A customer has an older, this is an MT series plow. This unit itself, the controller that typically came with it, you'd have the older, what they call legacy controller. This was either in a wired version like this unit is, or they also had a wireless version. Today, this controller is no longer available from Sno-Way. Also, this module that's mounted right over here is no longer available from Sno-Way. What you can do is you can upgrade from this unit to what they call the Pro 2 controller, which is this one here. This is the wired version. Basically, with the kit, what you're going to get is you're going to get a new controller, you're going to get a new module, and you're going to get the necessary wires that are going to go to each one of these valves. So this is the new connector that you're going to have. Reason for that is this connector is a little bit different size than your legacy control harness that goes to each one of the valves. So when you order the kit, it's the same part number as this unit over here. This is the part number for the controller. If you have a letter C afterwards, you're going to be getting this wire harness, which is going to give you the correct connector to connect to your module. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to have the same color designs for the wires. So this one is going to be the green wire, that's going to go to the D valve, and on each one of the valves there's a stamp on the manifold. Basically you're just going to be pulling off the green wire, inserting the green wire. That's how easy it's going to be. So once you do get rid of your old legacy harness and you have the new Pro harness attached, what you can do is you can take off this bolt that retains this module, get rid of your old module. This is the new Pro module. This has an LED light on it indicating whether the plow is attached or whether the controller is on. And this basically just gets inserted into the same spot where the old module came off, and then it's retained by that same bolt. Now with this is going to be the straight blade version. If you had a V plow, then you'd connect to this connector. This is going to do some extra functions like the wings. So just lock this in and then you're all set. Besides that, you have these wires that are also part of the harness. They're going to go to the motor relay. So just follow the same color pattern. So this is a red wire with the white stripe, a brown wire, and just find the same wires. If you have any questions, you can call us at 201-327-6050. Thank you for watching.